this side. Today we're gonna learn about Simpson's 3 by 8 rule from general quadrature formula. So, Simpson's 3 by 8 rule is a numerical method used to approximate the definite integral of a function. It is based on cubic interpolation and is more accurate than the standard Simpson's rule. The formula for Simpson's 3 by 8 rule is given by integration of a to b f of x dx equals 3h by 8 of y0 plus yn plus 3 into y1 plus y2 plus y4 plus y5 plus so on up to yn minus 1 plus 2 y3 plus y6 plus y9 plus up to yn minus 3, where n is a multiple of 3, h equals b minus a by n, yi equals f of xi, and xi equals a plus ih. To obtain Simpson's 3 by 8 rule from general quadrature formula, we can start with the general quadrature formula. So the general quadrature formula is integration of a to b f of x dx summation I equals 0 to n ai f of xi, where n is the number of subintervals, ai are the weights, and xi are the nodes. For Simpson's 3 by 8 rule, we have n equals 2 and a node equals a2 equals 3 by 8. A1 equals 9 by 8, x naught equals a, x1 equals a plus b by 2, and x2 equals b. Substituting these values into general quadrature formula, we get integration of a to b f of x dx equals 3 by 3h by 8 f of a plus 3f a plus b by 2 plus 3f of a plus 2b by 3 plus f of b, which is Simpson's 3 by 8 rule. Thank you.